Okay, this is where we're staying for tonight. And already checked in, but check out these views. Oh my goodness. Outdoor area. That is the dining hall. But check out these views. What? I'm gonna go inside and show you the dining hall from inside. It's a wood burning fireplace. They actually have outlets to charge your phones. They do have 2 squatty potties. I'll show you that as far as for the toilet. I believe they have bucket showers, hot showers, and wood burning fireplace. Hi.
Hi. Yeah, tomorrow I think we should just hike to the flag and back just to still do a walk.
Okay. All right. It's a little station here to wash your hands. Let's go inside. Customer service is actually amazing. I'm going to show you the kitchen really quickly. I always love doing that so you get a full understanding of where we are in this beautiful tea house. Hello. Namaste, YouTube, my YouTube channel. She's an amazing host. We arrived and she actually showed us around. And, like, it is amazing here. Like, she's going to cook everything. You should see the menu. I'm going to show you the menu. We already ordered. We placed an order for fried eggs and ginger tea. And of course, respect to Nepalese flags. Let's go into the dining hall. There it is. They do have power here, solar power. However, they still have outlets that you can charge your devices. I'm not sure if it's free. I'll look into that. Here's the wood burning fireplace. I hope you can see it. Oh, there we go. And that's really important. Later, when the temperature drops, and I don't know, these are the views from the dining hall, right? You have souvenirs that you can buy. Just enough space, right? Souvenirs. Oh, and of course, they have all your treats. Your Western snacks, alcohol up top, toilet paper, just like most tea houses on this trek. And just want to give you, and they do have Snickers, which is very popular. They have some more stuff down here. Not sure what that is. So I guess these are day trekkers. Like, they went up to Gosainkunda. They're just going to go to the lake and come back. And so you're able to leave your bag until you get back. Okay, let's go down this long hall. Oh, wait. I can't do that. I need to go and get the key. Forgot the key. Let's get the key. Okay, I have the key. Room number 11. Go down this long hall. I'll show you the toilet, and then I'll show you our room. It's really quite basic, really simple. That's all we need. Squatty potty number 1. Right. With a little view, little window. Oh, I think there's I just turned the light on. I actually have power for later. I'll show you. Turn that off. And squatty potty number 2. Right? So, the 2 bathroom. It doesn't stink in there, so that's a good thing. And, okay, thank you. We are number 11. Hold on a sec. Let's go and unlock the door. Okay, here's our room. Got our bag. Of course, our sleeping bag is laid out. Bed number 1. Bed number 2, sleeping bag, already laid out. Really nice pillows. Not too bad. It's not soft, and that's okay. Really nice blankets, and we got our stuff already laid out, toilet paper and such. And this is the view. Hope you can see that from our window. And what we like to do, the pillow, when we came in, the pillow was down there at that end of the bed, but it's better to swap the pillow around. I don't know if most trekkers do this, especially if you have a window and there's a view. You can now see the mountains. Like, we're gonna wake up to the mountains. My bag right here. There's a light switch, and my towel is already hung. And our pole, trekking poles are in the corner. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it right now. I think it is free as far as the room, provided we eat our meals on site. And that's quite common, trekking in Nepal. There are times that you're going to have to pay for your meal. Yeah, I was saying, let's try to get some light. Oh yeah, so there are times that you're going to have to pay for your meal, you're always paying for your meal. There will be times that you will need to pay for your room. Just do it. Considering how far these tea houses are from, like let's say Kathmandu civilization, it's okay. But it is not uncommon to negotiate where you say, hey, if I have all my meals here, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or breakfast and dinner, then will the room be free? One of two things will happen. Either they say yes, or hi, I know what's going on out there. One of two things will happen. They'll say yes, or they'll reduce the price. So for us, I believe it's free. All right, peace, one love. Hit me up in the comments. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this guest house. It's better off as a guest house / tea house room tour. Okay? All right. Yeah, that's it. Peace from Nepal. Peace from the Himalayas. Laters.